Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak tips, easy method. Start by trimming and slicing your steak against the grain into even pieces, pat them dry, and season generously with salt, pepper, and garlic. Let the meat rest while you preheat a heavy pan until very hot. Sear the tips briefly for a crust, finish gently to desired doneness, then rest before serving to lock in juices. I will explain how to make a balanced marinade that enhances steak tips without overpowering them. Combine soy sauce, olive oil, a splash of vinegar, minced garlic, and a touch of brown sugar, then toss the sliced tips to coat. Marinate briefly, 30 minutes for thin cuts or up to 2 hours for denser pieces. Remove excess marinade, pat dry, and sear in a hot pan for a caramelized exterior and juicy interior every time. In this video, I will review how to make steak tips, easy method. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum upgraded my clean game with voice control and reliable navigation, so crumbs and drips disappear while you cook. It's perfect for busy cooks who want tidy floors without extra effort, and it responds to voice commands for hands-free cleaning. If this sounds useful, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. I will help you master searing and finishing steak tips for consistent results at home. Heat a cast iron skillet until it's very hot, then add oil and place tips in a single layer without crowding. Sear quickly to form a brown crust, then finish in a lower oven or reduce heat to reach desired doneness. Rest the meat briefly so juices redistribute, then slice and serve with a simple sauce or pan juices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.